Hi students, welcome to the class after a long gap of 4 days I think so. Okay, shall we move on to straight lines? Next concept, point of intersection of lines. Okay, point of intersection of two lines. If the lines are parallel, there will be no point of intersection. If they are perpendicular, non-parallel lines, for any non-parallel lines, they will intersect at some point. So we have three types. I think you know very well about the point of intersection, and I will explain in three types. You can follow any of the type. The first one, I am taking one example. Okay? Suppose x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to solve. Solve means these are the two lines. This is called point of intersection. The two lines intersect at some point, that is called point of intersection. This is point of intersection. POI, I am writing in simplest form, point of intersection. Okay? So we have to solve these equations. Whenever the question will be like solve two lines given, which means we have to find the point of intersection. Okay? Now, how to solve these two? There are three methods. I will explain the three methods. We follow any one of the method. Okay? Right. First, directly. You see here the x coefficient is 2. The simplest way, I am telling you first one. The simplest way is, first you write the y coefficients and constant x and again y coefficient. Middle, last, first, then middle. The simplest form. Okay, I am explaining again. Middle coefficient minus 1, 1. What about constant? 7, 3. What about here? 1, 2. Again middle minus 1, 1. We have to write the coefficients like middle, last, first, then go for the middle. First to last to middle. Constant and x coefficient. Now, the x value will be x by cross multiplication procedure. Cross multiplication procedure. Minus 3 minus the arrow mark should be, you have to subtract, that is minus 7. Y by, this is 14 minus 3. 1 by 1 minus of minus 2. X by, we have to write product of this one, but we have to subtract this product. So y by product of 14 minus 3. 1. 1 always we have to write 1 only. Okay? So 1 and minus 2, minus of minus 2, that is x by minus 10, y by 11, 1 by 3. So when compare these two, x is equal to minus 10 by 3. When we compare these two, y is equal to 11 by 3. That is y by 11 is equal to 1 by 3. What about y? 11 by 3. Simply. Okay? This is point of intersection. This will be the point of intersection. Okay? Now the point of intersection is equal to minus 10 by 3 and 11 by 3. This is one method. Okay? I will give one more method for this one. X minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? You see, this is second method. Second method. In the second method, you take either y or x. What is y here? Y is equal to x plus 7. Or you can take x is equal to something in terms of y. So y is equal to this one. You substitute here. That is 2x plus, what is y? X plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus x. 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 10 by 3. Then what about y? X plus 7 minus 10 by 3 plus 7. That is minus 10 plus 21. That is 11 by 3. Now x comma y is equal to minus 10 by 3, 11 by 3. So this is the point. This is second method. Okay? Now, third method. Third method. Okay, x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This will be the first equation and this one is second equation. Okay, let it be equation 1 and this one is equation 2. How to solve these two? These are the two methods and one more method. First, you see here the x coefficient is 1 and here the x coefficient is 2. So equating these two, how you equate this? We have to multiply the first equation with 2. Here the x coefficient is 1, but here the x coefficient is 2. So you multiply first equation with 2. Then what you will get here? 2x minus 2y plus 14 is equal to 0. And what about second equation? Second equation multiply with 1 only, because these two get will be equal. 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, equating x coefficients or equate y coefficient also. Directly we can add this, we will get the solution. So now here is 2x, this is 2x. So subtract minus minus minus. So these two will be cancelled. Minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0. So minus 3y is equal to minus 11. Y is equal to 11 by 3. You substitute the value of y in any of the equation. 2x minus 2y plus 14 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 22 by 3 plus 14 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 22 by 3 minus 14. That is 2x is equal to LCM is 3. 22 minus, that is 42, that is minus 20 by 3. This is our 2x. So this is minus 10. So minus 10 by 3. So what about x comma y? Either minus 10 by 3 or 11 by 3. So these are the three methods we can solve. I will explain one more time. You see, listen. Whenever these type of two equations are given to solve means we have to find the point of intersection of lengths. One method, this is the easiest method. This is easy. We have to follow. This is important. We have to solve. We have to follow this one. That is, just of course, you can add this, you will get the solution. This process is also you can do like x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. By adding these two and equating y coefficients, this will be cancelled. 3x plus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 10 by 3. And what about y? You replace x here. That implies minus 10 by 3 minus y minus 10 by 3 minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 10 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Minus 10, y is equal to minus 10 by 3 plus 7. So not 7 by 3. So that is equal to 11 by 3. That will be the answer. 11 by 3. So first I will explain. Second time, you see this one. This is very important one. Whenever two equations are given and then solve means find point of intersection. These are the three methods. మీకు ఏ మెథడ్ నచ్చితే అది చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఇది మాత్రం తెలిసి ఉండాలి. This is very very important. Very simple. Whatever might be the equations are given. This is some కొన్ని problems లో ఇది difficult. కొన్ని problems లో ఇది difficult. So for any problem we can solve this one. I will give one more example. Just to listen. You see here. First we have to write middle coefficients, y coefficients. Y like this, constant, x and then middle, last, first and then middle. And xy, cross multiplication procedure. E cross multiply cheyali, e cross multiply chesi subtract cheyali. Okay? In the same way, x by, y by, constant, 1 by. Always we have to write 1 only. It's a shortcut method. 1 by this one. Okay? Now the values of x will be like this. This is another method. This method lo entante just x value in terms of y or y value in terms of x kanukondi. Ante there will be two unknown quantities x and y. Okay, one quantity in this one we have to convert into another quantity. Here y is equal to x plus 1. So you put y value here, the entire equation will be in terms of x. Then you can find the value of x very easily and put the value of x there, you will get the value of y. If not, you see like y's are minus 1 plus 1, so you easily can simplify. If not, coefficients, x coefficient 1, y coefficient 2. Okay, so equal avali ante first you have to multiply the first equation with 2, second equation with 1. Okay, write down. I will explain with one more example, nothing to worry. Just you see, I will send a screenshot also. Okay guys, okay, next I will give one more example to you. ఇది మస్ట్ షుడ్ గా మీరు నేర్చుకోవాల్సిందే. మీరు ఇప్పుడు దీని మీద ఈ క్లాస్ మొత్తం ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీదే మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. ది ఎంటైర్ క్లాస్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓన్లీ. ఐ విల్ గివ్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇది రాకుండా మీరు ఉండకూడదు. మస్ట్ షుడ్ గా వి హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ దిస్ వన్, పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. అండ్ సంబడి సేయింగ్ దట్ మీకు అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఏమైనా అందకపోయినా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా యూ జస్ట్ కాల్ మీ ఆర్ నా నెంబర్ మీకు ఇక్కడ రాసిన గివింగ్ మై నెంబర్ 830-920. If you have any doubt, మీకు అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఏదైనా రాకపోయినా జస్ట్ మేక్ మీ ఏ కాల్ ఆర్ మీ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్తో మాట్లాడండి. దే విల్ సెండ్ మెసేజ్ టు మీ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ I will give one more example. You have to try చేస్తుండండి. ఇక్కడ చిన్న పని ఉంది. 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve. You try to solve that problem. And I am doing this. If anybody having any doubt regarding mathematics and the concerned topic, you just send me through WhatsApp or make me call, nothing to worry. Class avga nenu assignment పంపిస్తున్నాను మీకు, even notes also. Okay, మీకు ఎవరికైనా assignments రాకపోయినా you just ping me that number. Just you see, simplest method I am telling you. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. This is the problem. I am telling you the point of intersection. Just x y constant, అదే ఆర్డర్ లో ఉండాలి. is equal to 0 నే ఉండాలి. sometimes will be is equal to minus 5. so we have to write plus 5 is equal to 0. if these two lines are like this, what about the solution? The first method, first you have to write the middle coefficients. minus 1 3 middle constant, 5 1 x 3 2 again middle. ఇది రైట్ అర్థమైందా మీకు? మిడిల్ లాస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ then middle. Okay, now x by cross multiplication minus 4 and you have to subtract this one minus 15, y by 10 minus 3, 1 by ఎందుకు 1 అని అడగకూడదు. this is shortcut అంతే. 9 minus of minus 8. so x by minus 19, y by 7, 1 by 17. when equating these two, x is equal to x by minus 19 is equal to 1 by 17. x is equal to this one. and when equating these two, 7 by 17, don't cancel 7 7. okay, now x comma y is equal to minus 19 by 17, 7 by 7. మనం చేసింది కరెక్టో కాదో, what we did is either right or wrong. అంటే it's very simple. Point of కదా, this point of intersection lies on both the lines. ఈ point you substitute the given equations, it must satisfy. You replace x with minus 19/7 and y with 7/17, you will get the value 0. If you get to 0, then only the answer will be correct. If not, not. Okay, so మనం చేసింది కరెక్ట్ కాదని మనం ఎవరిని అడగాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈ పాయింట్ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోండి, ఇట్ మస్ట్ సాటిస్ఫై ద టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఓకే, ఇదే ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని ఐ యామ్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ మెథడ్. సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఐ యామ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ. ఆ మెథడ్ ఏంటి మీకు గుర్తుంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, and second one is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. ఇంకా y ఈక్వల్ చేయట్లేదు. ఆ మిడిల్ మెథడ్ what I told you earlier, the middle method, second method, I don't want to do that one, it's a big one, very big one. So third procedure ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను కదా ఇందాక, చూడండి. First you have to equate the coefficients of either x or y, whatever it may be. So here the x coefficient is 3 and here the x coefficient is 2. రెండు ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలంటే you multiply with 2, you multiply with 3. So first equation we have to multiply with 2. Okay, 3 2 ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2 తో సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 3 తో, అంటే ఈ కోఎఫిషియంట్ దాంతో ఆ కోఎఫిషియంట్ దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ you have to multiply the first equation with 2. What you will get here? 6x, entire equation with 2, 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. Next you multiply the second equation with 3. Why it is 3? Here is 3 2, so 2 first equation, 3 is second equation. So 6x plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, that is the way to equating the coefficient. లేదు మనం y coefficient and interest అనుకుంటే multiply with 4 and multiply with 3. Okay, అప్పుడు y coefficient equal. Then 6x 6x, so I am subtracting. When subtracting, signs are changed, signs will be changed. It is minus plus కాబట్టి minus, it is minus కాబట్టి plus. So 6x minus 6x cancel, minus 8y minus 9y minus 17y, 10 plus 3 13 is equal to 0. Then minus 17y is equal to minus 13, y is equal to 13 by 17, 10 minus 3 7. ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ రాలేదు, వచ్చిందని చూడండి ఒకసారి, రెండు ఆన్సర్లు సేమ్ రావాలి. 6x minus 8y plus 10, 6x plus 9y minus 3. Okay, so చూద్దాం, nothing to worry. Now you substitute this value in any of the equations. 6x minus 8y ఇక్కడ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి ఒకసారి, minus 4 3 5 minus, so sorry, here I wrote minus 1 రాస్తే ప్లస్ 1 రాస్తాను. సో బెటర్ ప్లస్ 1 రాసుకొని చేద్దాం, మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ మొత్తం ఈక్వేషన్ మారుతుంది. I am writing plus 1. Okay, it will be plus 3. Simple. Then we get లేకపోతే మొత్తం ప్రాబ్లం చేంజ్ అనవసరం టైం వేస్ట్. సో దట్ విల్ బి 7. సో y is equal to 7 by 17, that is 17y is equal to, that implies 17y is equal to 13 minus 17, minus minus cancel, y is equal to, you see, minus 17y plus 7 is 10 minus 2, so minus 17y is equal to minus 7, y is equal to 7 by 7. Now replace the value here, 6x minus 8y, y means plus 10 is equal to 0. Now 6x is equal to 56 by 17 minus 10, that is 17, 56 minus 170, that is 114, minus 114 by 70, 6 will be cancelled, minus 1 and 54, 9 6s 54, so that is x is equal to minus 19 by 70. So what will be the point of intersection? Either minus 19 by 17 and y value is 7 by 70. Right away. Okay, jaldi. Okay, students. Okay. Now we are going to, this is the procedure. Solve. Whenever solve means we have to find the point of intersection. And some more important one I am giving you. Okay. Class avagane I will send notes. These screenshots I will send you to the groups. If not, if you are not received that screenshot, just ping me that number. Okay. What a point of intersection of, this is also you have to know. Next one, point of intersection of the lines x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equal to 1. Ante interchanging the intercepts. Interchanging the intercepts. You see the intercepts. Okay. How to find this point of view? First, as I told you, we have to write like this. LCM is AB. So that is BX plus AY minus AB. ఎప్పుడు is equal to ఉండకూడదు. ఇది రాసుకోవాలి మనం. Minus AB is equal to. What about that one? LCM is AB. AX plus BY minus AB is equal to 0. Then what about our procedure? First you have to write middle one. This is important. You just practice that one. You take number of problems. Whatever might be the equations you can write. Now you see AB minus AB minus AB. Middle constant first. BA and AB. Okay guys. Now x by, what about this multiplication? Minus a square b minus, we have to multiply this one. Minus ab square, already minus is there. So plus ab square y by minus a square b plus ab square 1 by b square minus a square. Now x by, you take ab as common. If you take ab as common, what will get here? B, and this is minus a, b minus a. Y by, you take ab as common, what will you get here? B minus a, same. That is 1 by b minus a into b plus a. Now b minus a gets cancelled. So we have x by ab is equal to y by ab is equal to 1 by a plus b. So when we are equating these two or these two, you will get the same point. That is either x comma y is equal to ab by a plus b, ab by a plus b. So we have to remember the point of intersection ab by a plus b, comma ab by a plus b. This you have to remember. Whenever point of intersection will be, intercepts will be exchanged, interchange, then this will be the point of intersection. I will give one example also. Okay, one example. What about x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1 and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1? It's the point of intersection. So what about the formula? AB 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2, 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2. That will be the 6 by 5 and 6 by 5. One example. Okay. Okay. Now I will put different problems. Okay, now we are going to do some problems. Depends on this concept. I am going to do different problems. Okay, now see the first question. A line passing through point of intersection of x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 1 comma minus 3. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line. Find equation of line passing through the point of intersection of, see the question, geometry lo question chadivite some answer vachinattu correct ga chadivante. Find the equation of the line. We have to find the equation of the line. Whenever to find an equation we require one point and one slope or 2 points, no problem. So that line passing through point of intersection of this one and also this point. So one point is given. Okay, and the diagram kavalante these are the two lines given, one line and second line. This is the point of intersection of the line. There is one more line, our required line passing through this point and also 1 comma minus 3. Point of intersection annaru kabatti just to find the point of intersection. X minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now what about the point of intersection? 1 2 minus 2 1. Okay, 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 5 1 2 minus 2 1. What about the x value? Minus 10 plus 1 minus 2 minus 5 1 plus 4. So x by minus 9, y by minus 10, 1 by 5. So x is equal to minus 5 9 by 5, y is equal to minus 2. So what about the point? Minus 9 by 5 minus 2. That will be the point of intersection. మనం చేసింది కరెక్ట్ కాదో అనుకోండి మీరు వెరిఫై చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి, రాంగ్ గా తెలుస్తుంది. Just minus 9 by 5 minus 2 into what is minus y minus 2 minus 1 0 వస్తుందో చూద్దాం. Minus 9 by 5 4 plus this is 4 minus 1 3. చూడండి ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ రాంగ్ అయిందో మనకి కరెక్ట్ గా. క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి, x minus 2y minus 1 2x plus y plus 5 minus 2 1 minus 1 5 1 2 and minus 2 1 again. Cross multiplication minus 10 minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 5. Oh, this is 7, sorry, this is 7 here, this is minus 7 and what will be the point? We have minus y is equal to minus 7 by 5. So that will be the point. We have one point and one more point is given. So minus 9 by 5 minus 7 by 5 and 1 comma minus 3. These are the 2 points. We have to find the equation of line passing through these 2 points. So what is our formula? Y minus y1. Y1 అంటే better తీసుకోండి. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. What about slope? Minus 3 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is y plus 3 is equal to minus 15, that is minus 8, 5 plus 14 and LCM 5 cancel చేస్తుంది. So this will be 4 7. So 7y plus 21 is equal to, that is 4x plus 7y plus 17 is equal to 0. Okay, question జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. Find the equation of the line passing through point of intersection of these two and this line. There is a line, మనకు కావాల్సిన ఒక లైన్ ఉంది. That line passing through 2 points. One is this point, other one is point of intersection of these two. Okay, so first we find the point of intersection. This is one point and one more point is given. When 2 points are given, what will be the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Mari y1 x1 అయితే తీసుకుంటే you can take this point or this point, whatever you can like. Okay, so y minus y1 is equal to slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, right. Next question. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection. Find the equation of line passing through point of intersection of the lines and parallel to first bit. Parallel to, and the second one is perpendicular to the line 3x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, okay guys, you see the question. So you see, find the equation of the line. Find equation of line passing through point of intersection of these two lines. You see the concept. There are two lines intersecting at one point. This is point of intersection. Okay, there is a line passing through point of intersection and parallel to this line. This is the given line 3x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Passing through this point. Question జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. Find the equation of the line. Line equation కనుక్కోవాలంటే one point and one slope are the requirement. Point ఎలా ఇచ్చారు చూడండి. Passing through point of intersection of these two lines. So point of intersection solution already మనం కనుక్కున్నాం. Point of intersection is equal to this one. Solve చేసాం వచ్చేసి. Then what to do? Parallel to this line or perpendicular to this line. Okay. So first question. Parallel to 3x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay na? Parallel line. Simply parallel means slopes are equal. Slope is equal to minus 3 by minus 4. 3 by 4. Okay? Same slope. Parallel kabatti parallel. That means slopes equal. What about the point? That one. So equation of line. Therefore equation of line y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1, that is y plus 7 by 5 is equal to 3 by 4 into x plus 9 by 5. Directly we can answer. Okay, simplify చేసుకో. Second one, perpendicular to 3x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. What is the slope of line? Given slope minus 3 by minus 4, 3 by 4. What about the perpendicular line slope? Perpendicular slope is minus 4 by 2. So what about the point is this one? So y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 slope into x minus x1. Okay, y చూడండి. There is a line. That line passing through intersection of these two. So first find the point of intersection. ఇందా ప్రొసీజర్ అంతా చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో పాయింట్, we have the point. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏం కనుక్కోమన్నారు మనల్ని? దట్ లైన్ మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. అవర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ లైన్ ఇస్ parallel to this one. Parallel means slopes are equal. So given line slope is 3/4. What is our required line slope? That is also 3/4. So we have the slope and point. Then find the equation. Second question. Required given line is this one, but our required line is perpendicular. So first the slope of the given line is 3/4. What about perpendicular line slope? -4/3, reciprocal and sign change. So point and slope we have this one. Or you can do the same problem in a different way. మీకు గుర్తుంటే ఒకసారి ఫ్లాష్ బ్యాక్ గుర్తు చేస్తాను, జస్ట్ రిమైండ్ చేసుకోండి. సపోజ్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ లైన్ ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What about its parallel line? Parallel అంటే there is no change in x and y, so that will be ax plus by plus constant will be changed. What about its perpendicular line? X coefficient y ki, y coefficient x ki, that is bx minus ay plus some l is equal to 0. ఇది కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు గుర్తుంటే ఇంకా ఈజీ. I am writing this second method or second method. What is that method? Parallel to this one. Parallel to 3x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 is directly we can write 3x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Okay? Parallel directly రాసేచ్చు. But then how to find k? అంటే this line, this is the required line. That line passing through this point. That is given in the question. So this is line passing through -9/5 minus 7/5. That means 3x 4y plus k is equal to 0. That is LCM is 5. That is -27 plus 28 is equal to minus k. Then what about k is equal to? This is 1/5 minus 1/5. Now the equation you replace here. 3x minus 4y minus 1/5 is equal to 0. Okay, that is 15x minus 20y minus 1 is equal to 0. Place లేదు ఇక్కడ రాసే కంగారు పడితే మీరు సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, దీని సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ ఆర్ ద సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. perpendicular to 3x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 is x coefficient y ki, y coefficient x ki. అంటే 4x 3y. ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి we have to write plus some l is equal. లేకపోతే k రాసుకోవచ్చు. But it is passing through -9/5 minus 7/5. So 4 into minus 9/5 plus 3 into minus 7/5 plus l is equal to 0. Therefore l is equal to 36/5 plus 21/5. That is 57/5. Now the equation is 4x plus 3y plus 57/5 is equal to 0. 20x plus 50y plus 57 is equal to 0. Okay? Last one. Okay guys, next. So ఎక్కడైనా సరే for parallel perpendicular ఉన్నప్పుడు this is the procedure to find the equation of the lines. Next, concurrent lines. Point of intersection మీద ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని I will send different problems based on this point of intersection. క్వశ్చన్ జాగ్రత్తగా చదవండి, అందులోనే మీకు సొల్యూషన్ ఉంది. ఓకే, ఫైండ్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ యూ ఫైండ్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. ఓకే, నౌ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ మెంట్ బై కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్? యాక్చువల్గా మనకి వీకెండ్ ఉండే because of rain effect we didn't complete the syllabus, so that way nothing to worry. Inka question paper I post the video of solutions for you exclusively. If not you received, just I am writing one more time my number, you just WhatsApp me. I am sending the class notes also. If anybody doesn't receive the notes, just you ping me. Okay, nothing to worry. Any group. Next, concurrent lines. What about concurrent lines? Concurrent అంటే ఏంటి? సపోజ్ మీ మదర్ ఒక జాబ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఫాదర్ ఒక జాబ్ చేస్తున్నారు, మీరు కాలేజీ ఓపెన్ అయినా అనుకుందాం. You are going to college and your sister or brother going to school or some other college, engineering somewhere. So 4 members are leaving the house in the morning itself, and they will come back the home in the evening to meet at one point. Andaru kalisi oka point meet of the house. So that is called concurrent center. That is called concurrent. Ante concurrent lines. Ante concurrent lines and point. Concurrent point. Concurrent lines and concurrent point. That is, if 2 or more lines if passing through one point, then that is said to be concurrent lines. 3 or more lines passing through same point and the mediator point. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పే కదా, మదర్ ఒక కాలేజీకి వెళ్తున్నారు ఆఫీస్కి, ఫాదర్ ఒక ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్తారు, బట్ ద mediator point at home at your home. So line ఎటు వెళ్ళినా కానీ the mediator point, that is called concurrent point. The lines are said to be concurrent lines. Okay, 3 or more lines, 3 or more lines passing through same point, passing through same point. The lines are concurrent lines and the point is called concurrent point. Okay, now second concept, this one. How to prove concurrent lines ante, if 3 lines are concurrent, then the determinant matrices lo vastadi. If 3 lines are concurrent, if 3 lines are concurrent, then determinant value, I will explain. Nothing to worry. Determinant ante ఏంటి ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారో మీకు చెప్తాను. There is a topic in matrices, మీకు కావలేదు కాబట్టి nothing to worry. ఏంటి అంటే మెసేజ్ పోస్ట్ చేయొద్దు. Determinant det value is equal to 0. ఆ det అంటే ఏంటి అనేది I will explain it. Okay, first listen the concept. There are many lines which are passing through one point. Those lines are said to be concurrent lines and the point is called concurrent point. Point of concurrence, or we can say point of concurrence. Point of concurrence, we can say point of concurrence. Concurrence is a meeting point. Okay, now I will give an example. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0 are concurrent. Find k. Are concurrent, then find k. So what about the value of k? So first we find the point of intersection of the first 2 lines. Okay, you see concurrent meaning అర్థం చేసుకోండి. These 3 lines are intersecting intersect at one point. ఒక పాయింట్ అయితే మీట్ అవుతుంది, అది కన్ఫర్మ్. కాంకరెంట్ అంటే మీనింగ్ అది. నౌ we have to find k. How to find k? There are two methods. కాంకరెంట్ మీనింగ్ అర్థమైంది కదా మీకు, నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. అంటే two lines in third line this one. Okay, first you find the point of intersection of the lines. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y. Direct రాసేస్తాను, ఎంత టైం వేస్ట్. Point of intersection of first two lines. Point of intersection of first two lines. Okay, first two lines. How to find? Minus 1 3, 1 minus 1, 1 2, minus 1 3. So what about the point? X by 1 minus 3, y by 2 plus 1 and 1 by 3 plus 2. Now x comma y is equal to minus 2 by 5 and y is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So this is the point of intersection. Okay. Then what is given? The lines are concurrent and meeting at a point, and the third line also passing through this point. That is the definition of concurrency. Okay. So this point is also lie on this line, not only these two. Okay. So minus 2 by 5 comma 3 by 5 lies on 3x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. So that implies 3 into minus 2 by 5 minus 4 into 3 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. Then what about k? 6 by 5 plus 12 by 5, that is 18 by 5. So what about the k value? 18 by 5. Okay. Whenever three lines are given, if these three lines are concurrent, ante how to prove the lines are concurrent? First you find point of intersection of any of the two lines which you like. మీకు ఇష్టమైన టూ లైన్స్ తీసుకొని పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ కనుక్కోండి. You substitute that point into the third equation. The remaining equation ఏదో ఉంటుంది కదా. If it satisfies, అంటే you replace xy and you find the value, whatever the value you found for that values for x and y, you replace x and y. If you get it is 0, then the lines will be concurrent. If not, they are not concurrent lines. Okay. So this is one method. I am giving one more method. Determinant అంటారు, అది ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలో ఒకసారి చెప్తాను చూడండి. డిటర్మినెంట్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ టాపిక్ లో ఉంటున్నది, ఇప్పుడు కూడా చేయొచ్చు. జస్ట్ వినండి, కొంతమందికి తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ మెథడ్. ఓకే. డిటర్మినెంట్ అంటే డెట్ ఆఫ్ మాడ్యులస్ కదా, డెట్ రెండు లైన్స్. రైట్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ ఆఫ్ x 1 2 3. You see 1 2 3. What about the y coefficients? -1 3 -4. Okay. Next, what about the constants? 1 -1 k. The determinant value is equal to 0. Okay. 1 2 3 -1 3 -4 1 -1 k. How to find determinant? I am telling you, listen. You put like plus minus plus, just plus minus plus always. ఎందుకు అని మీరు అడగదు, అంతే. మ్యాట్రిసెస్ టాపిక్ లో మీరు తెలుసుకుంటారు డీటెయిల్డ్ గా. Why you are writing that one, I will explain it in the topic. Okay. First you find how to find determinant. You see 1 into, జాగ్రత్త వినాలి మీరు, నోట్స్ తర్వాత రాసుకున్నాను. I will send you the notes, just listen. 1 into okay, this is called column. These are rows. Just a minute. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, 1 into, you just leave that column and row. What will be here? 3 -1 -4k. You leave the row and column, whatever we have I wrote it. And next, this one you have to change this sign. Why? Don't ask me, just listen, because the topic is not covered so far. So here is -1, just you have to change the sign. So minus minus plus 1 off, just remove this column and row. ఈ కాలం ఈ రో తీసేద్దాం. అప్పుడు ఏం మిగులుతుంది చూడండి, 2 - 1 3k. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ 1 into remove this row, column and row, you will get 2 3 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. I am explaining one more time. మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకుని చూడండి వీడియో. ఈ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇంటూ ఈ రెండు క్లోజ్ చేసుకోండి, దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ దీస్ 4. మిడిల్ వన్ మాత్రమే సైన్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి. వీ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ ద సైన్ ఫర్ ద మిడిల్ వన్ ఓన్లీ. సో +1 ఇక్కడ -1 +1. If it is plus, we have to write -1 into, remove this row and column, you will get 2 - 1 3k. Next in the same way +1 into ఈ రెండింటికి సైన్ చేంజ్ చేయకూడదు. 1 into, remove this 2 3 3 -4, simple. Next 1 into, just cross multiplication procedure, 3k minus product is 4 plus 1 into 2k minus of 3, and that means plus 3. Cross multiplication procedure, 1 into -8 minus of this one -9 is equal to 0. That is 3k minus 4 plus 2k plus 3 minus 17 is equal to 0. So 3k plus 2k 5k minus 4 minus 17 minus 21 plus 3, that is 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Now k is equal to 18/5. So this is also one of the method when concurrent public exam IP exam lo kuda you can do this, because in the first year itself we have the topic matrices. So IP lo cheyacha, IIT lo cheyacha, ekkadaina you can do this process. Okay, just write down or take a screenshot. ఇవన్నీ బేసిక్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ కోసం చెప్తున్నాను. రేపు ఇంకా దీనికి సంబంధించిన కాన్సెప్ట్, కాంకరెంట్ పాయింట్స్ డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ టుమారో. నౌ ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ గివింగ్ వన్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ టు యూ. కాంకరెంట్ అంటే all the lines are passing to the same point, then those are said to be concurrent point. Okay, concurrent point ante all the lines passes to the same point, then that point is said to be point of concurrence antar. ఆ మాట మీరు చాలా సార్లు విన్నారు ట్రయాంగిల్ లో కూడా. సపోజ్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్, యాంటిట్యూడ్స్ ఆర్ కాంకరెంట్ అని చెప్పుకుంటారు కదా మీకు. దట్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్థోసెంటర్. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెన్స్ అంటే ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అన్నమాట, పాసింగ్ టు ద సేమ్ పాయింట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ జస్ట్ ఈ క్లాస్ మొత్తం పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ మనం పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెన్స్ మాత్రమే చేసాం. యు సీ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ యామ్ గివింగ్ యూ. జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ 5 more minutes. టైం 11 కల్లా యాజ్ ఇస్ 11 నుండి 12 దాకా ఉండండి లైవ్ లో. 3x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. x plus ky plus 5 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Find k. Okay, so one procedure is determinant procedure. Determinant means just to write 3 2 1 1 minus 3k 1 minus 7 5. Okay, 1 minus 7 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now జాగ్రత్త రాసుకోండి, ఎక్కడ మైనస్ చిన్న తేడా వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ మొత్తం పోతుంది. సో 3 of minus 3 minus 7 k 5. ఇక్కడ 1 plus 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి we have to write minus 1 into 2 minus 7 1 5 plus 1 into just 1 row column తీసేసుకోండి 2 minus 3 1k is equal to 0. That is 3 into minus 15 plus 7k minus of 10 plus 7 plus 2k plus 3 is equal to 0. That is minus 45 plus 21k minus 17, that is minus 17 plus 2k plus 3 is equal to 0. So 21k plus 2k, that is 23k minus 45, this is 14 minus 59 is equal to 0. K is equal to 59 by 23. Okay, general procedure చూద్దాం, అది కూడా నేర్చుకోండి. డిటర్మినెంట్ అంటే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ 3x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 7, 3 2, 1 minus 2, x by minus 7 plus 3, y by 2 plus 21, 1 by minus 9 minus 2, that is x is equal to minus 4 by minus 11, that is 4 by 11, y is equal to 23 by minus 11. Now x plus ky plus 5 is equal to 0. This point lie on this line because they are congruent. So x means 4 by 11 plus k into y means minus 23 by 11 plus 5 is equal to 0. That is minus 23k by 11 is equal to minus 5 minus 4 by 11, that is minus 23k by 11 is equal to minus 59, minus minus cancel, 11 11 cancel, k is equal to 59 by 23. Both values will be same. Okay, take a screenshot of this one. Okay students, these are the problems based on concurrent. Just క్లాస్ అవగానే మీకు నోట్స్ నేను సెండ్ చేస్తాను. నోట్స్ మీకు ఎవరికి రాకపోయినా నాకు వాట్సాప్లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి, మీ పేరు పెట్టండి, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. జస్ట్ యూ పింగ్ యువర్ నేమ్ అండ్ బ్యాచ్, ఇది స్పార్క్ బ్యాచ్, స్పార్క్ గర్ల్స్, స్పార్క్ బాయ్స్, ఫోకస్ తెలియాలి కదా నాకు కూడా. ఓకే, అంటే డిఫరెంట్ క్లాసెస్కి వెళ్తుంటాం కదా. సో యూ పోస్ట్ దట్ యువర్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ ద నోట్స్. Tomorrow I am going to tell you the concepts of this one. Today only based on the concurrent lines and point of intersection, the problems change and I will send assignment also. Okay, right. Thank you.